Let me show you the problem statement first. This is a project title. We are going to actually execute or make this project SQL and Sqoop data ingestion ETL. Technology is big data, domain is e-commerce, and this is difficult level, which is medium. So this is a problem statement. Use Sqoop to read data from SQL database and import it into Hadoop. So it actually a batch time processing, ETL processing, extract, transfer, load. Here we are using the Sqoop to extract the data which is present in SQL and dump it into the Hadoop ecosystem on daily basis. So let me just go these 4 steps one by one. First thing first, create the SQL database at any cloud platform. So here we are using the AWS RDS, which is a cloud platform provided by the Amazon Web Service. And this is a design, and second one is a design an e-commerce database and store 10 GB record in SQL database. But in this project, I'm just dump few records. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to actually dump these 10 GB record. And third one is use Sqoop to load data from SQL database to Hadoop. So this is our actually a Sqoop job. We actually create the Sqoop job. And the fourth one is a schedule pipeline such a way that the new data from database can be transferred to Hadoop automatically on daily basis. So we will also do the incremental load through Sqoop, and we will schedule with the help of Airflow. So this is our architecture. Let me show and create the database, e-commerce database, and put all the uh, data into that. Okay, so this is our interface. Just give me a moment. Here is our password. Authentication failed. Why? WHNTCQ. Oh, F42GXD. Now, so yes. So let me go on the home page first. So let me tell you what is Amazon RDS is. It's a relational database service which is provided by Amazon. It is actually same as MySQL, Oracle, which is also you download it or sorry install in your local system. So it also behave like same. You can also dump your data there and do some kind of analytical queries. It is pretty same. So this is RDS, and if you not find here because it is a recently visited, I already visited, that's why. So just type RDS, and over there the first one, just open it. And one thing also, I will not tell you how to create the database in this project, because then this project will actually otherwise it will be so lengthy. So that's why I will not show you how to create database. So this is already I have created. Here you can see this right now it is available, and our DB identifier, you can put any name here. I have put database -1, and this is a role instance. Okay, let me click on this. So I'm not tell you how to actually create the database and how to connect to your MySQL workbench in this video. So this is the whole detail of this. This is very important, security group rules. So, and this is also important, publicly accessible. Uh, while you creating your database, there is option of publicly accessible. Is default is no, but you have to change to yes. Otherwise, you cannot connect your MySQL, sorry, MySQL workbench to RDS. So please click on yes. And this is security group. So this is endpoint and port is very important for this. So right now it is available. Let me open my MySQL workbench. Let me go on home page. Okay, so this is default one I've already created here. Just click on this, and if you want to establish a connection from RDS to MySQL workbench, just click on this plus icon. Here you can do your connection name. You can put anything, xxxx, whatever you want. And this is default. Then host name, and host name is this one, endpoint. This is your host name, and this is your port. Just put there. Just put there, and user name is your admin. When you create the database, you will find their admin, and then password just store in the vault, and then test connection, and then just okay. It will automatically create it. I've already did that, so just click on this. Wait for some seconds, and now it is open. So let me first drop the e-commerce drop database e-commerce, yeah. Let me show you from the scratch. And before show you from the scratch, now we successfully connect to our RDS through MySQL workbench. Yes. So before deep into dive, this is my repository. You can also find the everything I provided here. So this is my table records, and this is a table schema. Let me show you the diagram first. I put it here. Yeah. So this is our whole data modeling actually. I don't want to edit this anything. Okay, so here we have, this is clearly in a denormalized way. You can totally see sellers, buyer, membership, all the tables we have, and related to the primary key and foreign key and other attributes related to that table. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Yes, so this is our table schema. This is our whole schema. This table over there, the same diagram you see here, this one, it is clearly here. So what I will do, I will control A, the very difficult part, then control C, and just go to our MySQL workbench and just put control V. Let me remove this, control V. I think everything is fine till here. Just give me a moment. Yes, control A and just click on this lightning button. So it might take time. Till then I will actually create another SQL query tab. Yes, it is done. If you refresh it, yeah, this is our e-commerce DB, and I think table, and this is our schema is done. So let me also dump the data. This is our records. Again, control A, very difficult part, control C, and just go control V, again control A, and hit on the lightning button. I will mention all the files, need not to worry. Just give some time to this, and let me open a new SQL query. I think it's done, right? Okay, so let me select first use e-commerce e-commerce db. Done. Now select star from address. Let me show you address. Great. So now we have achieved our two steps. Let me show you again the problem statement first. Where is the problem statement? Okay, here. Create SQL database at any cloud platform. In this case, I am using MySQL engine, and I actually create the database, and I actually set up the connection to MySQL workbench. So that part is done. Design an e-commerce database. Here is our design. This is a whole e-commerce database. You can totally see orders, user, discount, product, payment page, everything. And I also dump all the data which is there. And if you want to dump more data, I provide in the repository the e-commerce data. So okay, let me jump into the step 3. Use Sqoop to load data from SQL database to Hadoop. So this is our part 3. Let's jump into it. So use Sqoop to load data from SQL database to Hadoop. So for that, first thing first, we have to create the Sqoop job for all the tables that we have created inside our e-commerce database. So let me show you that code first. So this is our code, scoopjobs.txt. I will also mention this file in the description or as well as in my repository. So yes, so these are the Sqoop jobs we have to individually run on AWS EMR, which I will show you later. But first, what I will do right now, I will I will create an EC2 instance, which I already did. Okay, let me go in the back. Just open your Amazon console and click on EC2 or search EC2 instance here. So I have already created the instance. I will not show you how to create EC2 instance, EMR cluster, and RDS. I will only show you the execution part in this project. So just wait for a little while. And why we are using this EC2 instance apart from the EMR and RDS? So RDS is for your database and um storing your tables and data, right? And EMR is for your Hadoop cluster. But what I will, what I did in this project is that I actually run Apache Airflow on different instance. So actually you will require three things: RDS, EMR for Hadoop, and EC2 for your Airflow. So this is my instance. I already did that, T2 medium. This is my configuration of my machine that I rented, and this is my key value pair for the accessing part. So let me go to the start instance. Just wait for a while. So why we require this key value pair? For the making a successful connection. Where it is? Yes, Airflow Sqoop key. Right. So just wait for a while. Just refresh it. Right now it is pending. Yeah, so now it is running, and this is our IP4 DNS public. So I will copy this and open my putty console. You have to install the putty for the connection, for making a connection to your EC2. Right now in this tutorial, in this project, I am using for Apache Airflow is T2 medium. So let me browse for the authentication. So this is our Airflow Sqoop key .ppk. Let me open. Just wait for a while. just wait for a while. Okay, so just accept and just write Ubuntu. Now successful. So first thing first, let me change this setting and connection, go in connection and just put here 10,000, so it will not disconnect after some time. So let me type airflow first. Let me see if it is installed or not. Yes, so if you can see these kind of messages or text, so it means airflow is already installed. And let me see the python 3 hyphen hyphen version. Yeah, so 3.10.6. I will also mention those command to install python 3 and apache airflow in ubuntu instance or ubuntu machine, sorry. So this is our IP address, local IP address, as you, sorry, this is a, yeah, this is our private IP address and this is our username ubuntu. So I'm successfully connected to my EC2 instance. So now let me, what I will do, let me go to the ls command first. Airflow, it is there directory. It is same like you create any when you install anything, it actually create a shortcut in windows um, home page. So similarly it will create a airflow for that. So what I will do, I will just go in the airflow and do the ls part. So let me show you one thing first. Let me do sudo nano if you want to open any file, nano and airflow. Let me go tag.cfg open it. So what you will do, this the third line dax folder, just there is a default one, but you, what you will do right now, you just put airflow dag and you can put any other directory if you want to. So what it will do, when you open your apache airflow console, it will first go to in this directory and check whatever the dag are present in this, it will show you there. So what I will do, control X and come here and I will go in this airflow dag that I mentioned in my airflow CFG. So let me go in this, let me go cd airflow underscore dag and do ls. So these are the you can say the 5 file already there. So what I will do, I will go in the scoop etl.py. So sudo, okay, let me create another file, sudo nano, and the file name is scoop etl final. This is the final project .py and just hit enter and this will open your file. Minimize all the tab and here is our code. So this is our actually airflow dag I've created already, and this is my scoop command, as you can see, for individual tables. And this is our task that we have created, and in the later part this is the task order. So first scoop import 1 execute, then scoop import 2 and so on up to scoop import 18. So let just go a little bit. First I will import date time because I need to schedule this, so that's why I require date time and time delta. And you have to import the airflow and import dag. There's a method called dag, sorry, class called dag, and again import this dot operate the SSH operator because you have to make a connection to your EMR cluster for that. So that's why I import the SSH operator, so that I can make the connection, successful connection to AWS EMR, and I also successful run those scoop commands. So in this video I will show you how, first thing first, this is default argument. You have to set up default owner name. These are the attributes, or I can say that the key value argument in the dictionary form I've created. So first thing first, let's create a dag object, call this dag class and mention your dag name. The right now is SQL Sqoop data ingestion ETL. This is a project name and I put the final. You will also see in that console part. Just wait for a minute. and this is a default argument which I have already create here. And the schedule interval, this will schedule your airflow scoop command. This is right now is 5 minutes, every 5 minutes, and this is the start date 16/6/2013 23, sorry, the today's date, and every 5 minutes it will schedule it. So these are the commands. Scoop job. So I've already show you what are the scoop job. Let me show you again. So these are the scoop job, and we have to explicitly uh, create scoop job over there. So wait for a minute. Okay, so what I will do here, I just copy this complete airflow tag, Control C and Control V, Control V. Okay, so here is done. Control X, put by and enter. So it is saved. Okay, so now it is saved. Let me create another session, duplicate session to run the Apache Airflow. Come on, come on. It is taking too much time, I think. Yeah, Ubuntu. And again, just write the command Apache, sorry, Airflow. Oh, first I will clear the screen. Just write Airflow standalone. Just write this command and it will actually run your Apache Airflow. And here, as you can see, it will also show you the username and password. You can see this, the username is admin and the password is this. So I actually copied it, and what you will do right now, just open your any browser. Let me go here and copy this host name. If you are using the local host, then you will use your local host, and the port name is 8080. Apache Airflow on default run on 8080 port. So I hit enter. So let me just admin, I'll actually show you, and here is our password. So this is our password. Again, hard part, Control C and Control V. This is very difficult, and I think we have successfully done it. Yes. And what is the error we are getting? Why we are getting this error? Okay, for the scoop. Okay. I get it. So this scoop etl.py, this creating an error. So need not to worry. What I will do, just to wait and delete this file, I guess. So how I will delete? Let me go here. How to delete file in Ubuntu? To delete the file named my file, type the rm. Okay. Rm scoop underscore etl.py. Remove write protected. What is that? Yes. So don't remember any command if you are using Ubuntu. You just simply write it down on the Google or Chat GPT. You will find all the commands. So let me refresh again. I guess this time it will not give any and this time it will not throw any error. Mm, what is the issue then? Or maybe I will spin up the, okay, it is not going. So what I will do, I will just control C and again start the airflow, because it will not remove this pop-up. And let me again refresh it. I guess this time it will not throw any error. Yes, so now it is fine. So as you can see, this is our DAG name, SQL Scoop Data Ingestion ETL Final, that we have already show you here. So this is our DAG name. This is our same DAG name. Okay, and let me go again. Yeah. So let me click on this owner name runs. I will show you how it will all the tasks that we have created for individual tables. So these are the tasks. For the better visualization, just go click on this graph button and it will land you on a beautiful page. Why you zoom in? Yeah, so as you can see, it's a linear format, and let me zoom in. What is the problem? Okay, so Sqoop import user, Sqoop import membership, Sqoop import buyers. So if you can see your tag, you can see. So these are the our task. As you can see, let me go first. Sqoop import user, Sqoop import membership. Let me show you again. Sqoop import users, Sqoop import membership, right? And these are the sequential way. Okay, now this task is done. Now let me show you one thing is that just go in the admin, go in the connection. Now just now the next part is there is just spin up the AWS EMR and make a connection and just run the command. Just start our airflow tag that we have created. So if you can see, this is our connection, ss connection id EMR airflow. Let me go. There are default so many. Yeah, EMR airflow, correct. Where is the connection name? EMR default. What is the name? EMR airflow. Okay, no problem, then I will create a new connection. No problem, not an issue. Okay, so our next task is just to spin up our AWS EMR and first create all the scoop jobs and just then run our and then make the connection, which is connection name is EMR Airflow, and it simply start our Apache Airflow command, and here are the tags. I just need to start that tag, this one, and it will automatically every 5 minutes it will start the uh, yeah, it will schedule our job every 5 minutes. We completed our tag code or run the Apache Airflow. in on EC2 instance, let's create our EMR cluster. So just log in into your Amazon Web Services and search here is EMR. Click on this first EMR button, managed Hadoop cluster framework. Over there, when you first time search EMR and click on the EMR, you will not see any these clusters, and you will only see the create cluster button. But I have already did that. I have already practiced so many clusters. So what I will do, I will just click on here and just clone it. And you can create your first thing first. You write your name, any name you want. I keep it Sqoop RDS Hadoop and custom. And then whatever software you want, whatever tools you want in your Hadoop cluster. So first thing first, Hadoop basic edge catalog means Hadoop is your actually uh, you can say that the storage layer. Then over there you can store Hive for the data warehousing, Spark for your alternate of MapReduce so that it can be very so that it can execute your commands very fast. And you can also with the help of Spark, you can also run Spark streaming for the real-time processing. And of course, Sqoop for our use case. And keep it default instance group. And this is very important because whenever you create a cluster, because if you can, as you know, a Hadoop is a uh, master-slave architecture. So there is a master, which is also called as a name node, and there is a commodity hardwares, which is also called as a data node. So similarly, we have primary, then we have core, and then we have task. We actually execute the task. So keep it default. For our use case, we only want one core, one task, and if you are working a large project, then you can increase the size also. But I will keep it. I'm going, but yes. So if you want to customize it, if you want to increase the size, you want, but I only keep one. Then networking, please don't change anything, just keep it default. And then bootstrap action, this is very important. Suppose if you want to install any software apart from your Hadoop cluster or other tools, then you can just simply what you will do, just create the add button. Over there, just enter the name of your bootstrap action and the S3 path. So for that, we have to create the bucket, and over there you have to upload that software or any jar file. But in this case, I actually upload the MySQL driver for the connection, so that scoop command easily um, so that scoop command successfully run. And then we have Amazon EMR service role, and then EC2 instant profile for Amazon EMR. So these are the default role, because the for kind information, IM roles are the roles so that you can share some kind of information um, between other Amazon services, between Amazon services. So for that, you have to create the roles. Inside the role, there are so many policies, and you can also customize those policies. So what I will do right now, I will just create the cluster, and I also run this for the Apache Airflow. And my database is already available. Yes. So what I will do, I will make the SSH connection to the PuTTY so that I can run the Apache Airflow. click open, accept it, write it, write Ubuntu, Ubuntu, why is taking so much time? My EMR cluster is also successfully ran. Why it is connection error, man? Yes, it's successfully run. Let's change setting and please put here 1000 number so that it will not disconnect automatically after some time, and also create a duplicate session. Please, why is taking too much time? Till then just write airflow standalone, and before that let me do one thing: cd airflow ls, cd airflow dat and ls, and everything is fine, I guess. So our okay, everything is fine. Just Ubuntu, sorry, airflow stand alone. Okay, let's come to the EMR and please change the security group for your EMR cluster so that it can connect to your EC2 instance. Also, Apache Airflow can schedule the job by SSH command. So create the SSH anywhere, add another rule. This is for the MySQL. Again, anywhere. You can also click on my IP, but in this case, for safe purpose, I just use the anywhere. Once it will successful done, what you will do, just copy this link again, make the putty, Control V, SSH connection, authentication, credentials. For this I just save to 123.ppk. And if we let me just let me arrange properly. Yes, now it is successfully run, and here is the Hadoop username, and this also runs successfully. Change setting to more than 0. Okay, let me put here, let me, yes, so this is done. So what I will do, I will go to the instance, copy this, and Control V, very difficult work, 8080. So you have to also mention the port for the Apache Airflow, which is the default one. and let me go in the password. Where is the password? Here is the password. Control V and sign in. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Yep. So okay, so first I have to delete that tag. Now I have to create a tag again. So for that, what I will do? Yes. So come in this command. Let me minimize this one and maximize this one. So cd. Okay, I'm already in the airflow tag ls. So it is there. Sudo nano scoop py. So here is our tag. Everything is ready to execute. Just make only changes there. Start date, because today's date is 17. I'm recorded this session for 17, and for schedule interval is 5 minutes, every 5 minutes. So control X, Y, and yes. Once you will hit yes, again go to your, and let me refresh this page. Okay, finally it is there. And for you have to do one thing in EMR, because till now I haven't created any scoop job, right? So just maximize it and just clear it. So before that, what you will need to do, you just need to do one thing. I will let you know what you need to do. Yeah, just because in a scoop job there is a password file parameter. So in this case, my database password is aman 1234. I have to first create it, and this one is sqoop1.pwd, because if you can see all my scoop jobs, here I provided the file path home hadoop scoop 1.pwd. So when you execute this command, if you do the ls, so there is, so if you do the present working directory, there is a home hadoop. So now successfully I've created the password file. Here is the password file. When scoop job, when I submit this scoop job, first it will check where is your password file, this password file. So this is the local path file colon triple forward slash home, then slash hadoop, then scoop1.pwd. So now what you need to do, just copy these commands and just paste it one by one. Oh, my bad. Control C. uh, just, just remove this code and run it. Run it one by one. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. I will forward this video, need not to worry. This is just a demonstrative purpose. I'm not going deep dive into the scoop job, how you create these arguments. I will talk you later in other video. But in this video, I just only show you how to schedule the scoop job. So maybe suppose if you are working in a company and a data came every night, then how Airflow schedule the Sqoop job, and the data that present in the MySQL database automatically transfer to your Hadoop cluster. So this is our uh, table is department. We successfully create four jobs, sorry, control. This is our product table. And this is our last Sqoop job. Now, if you want to check how many jobs you have created till now, so just run a Sqoop job hyphen list and just hit enter, and yes, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. So successfully it created all the Sqoop job. So now what this task is done. So let me go again on EMR here, and let me change the connection first, because if you can see in our DAG, the connection that I have created is EMR Airflow. So I have to make the successful SSH connection. So if you scroll down, I've already created here. So I just add it here right now. Okay, let me go inside it. So first thing first, you have to create the connection ID. You customize it and then choose the SSH. If you don't find SSH, then please download the SSH package. Then host name. So right now the host name is here. Primary node public DNS. This is a primary node, not a slave node. This is a primary node. So just control V. Just check verify 110. Yeah, 128. Correct. And username is Hadoop. Password, because you that is a PPK file, PAM file. Sorry. So you have to put your PAM file in your EC2 instance. So this is first you create inside the Airflow. You have to create SSH authentication. You can create a default uh, sorry, you can create any directory you want. In this case I just create SSH authentication, and then Airflow emr.pem file for that EMR cluster I just put here. So let me also check verify. If you come in your Ubuntu where Airflow is installed. Just okay, again. Just wait. I don't know why, but he automatically disconnect me. Okay, so let me restart the session. Yes, so write it down again, Ubuntu. You have to put this PAM file of EMR cluster inside your Ubuntu machine. I repeat again. I repeat it again. So what I will do, just change direct. First I will clear this. So just do ls. There is a airflow. Go in the airflow. Again do ls. So there is a file, as you can see, the SSH authentication. Inside this I have put the PAM file, and the PAM file name is airflow emr.pam. So let me go inside this SSH, hit the tab button automatically, and then ls la sorry ls, yeah, so airflow emr.pam. If you don't put this file, it will not create the SSH connection. So just save again. Yes, once you save, just go on the DAG folder, sorry, DAG page, and now you are ready to start your Sqoop job. I guess I've successfully connect SSH connection and create all Sqoop jobs in EMR cluster. So let me just go in the code section. Let's see, we have successfully just final overview. See everything is fine or not. So I guess everything's fine. Date is start date is correct. Every 5 minutes. These are the jobs, and these are the tasks that I've created, and this is the task order. I think everything is fine. Just click on this grid button or grid view, and I guess I'm ready to click on this start button. Just click on this start. Show me some detail. Yeah, it is loading. Have some patience. So there are these number of tasks created. I guess I have to create it manually. So let's trigger it. Triggered SQL Sqoop data ingestion ETL final. It should start any moment now. Okay, so now it's started. Right now is in the running case. Once it will dark green, it will successfully executed. So just wait for a while. Yes. So now as you can see, it is successfully, the first import command is successfully done, and you can say that the started point is our 652, and so it will take a little bit of time, I guess, because if you can see, this is scheduled way. And if I can see, this is our manual that I triggered here. You can see this white sign, little white sign. The type is manual, 650, and this is the scheduled one. So these tasks take too much time, I guess. Yes, so as you can see, these task automatically all successes. Let me click here and yeah, success, and go the logs file. Let's see the logs, and you can see there is a no error right now. Scoop job is successfully executed, as you can see. So these tasks automatically scheduled. As I can see, the scheduled when you start date, our start date is 17 and 5. This one is 10. This one is 15, and this I did manually. So next run will be 6:55 if I do again manually, right? So what I will do first, I will show you. This is automatically run every 5 minutes. So what I will do, oh, where it got failed in Hadoop way, no problem. I will restart the session again. So this is our final step of our project. Now I will just show you that every 5 minutes it will schedule our jobs. So first I will show you the records, and then I will uh, add record in RDS through MySQL Workbench, and again I will show you the imported record. Sorry, yes, the imported record came in Hadoop cluster or not. So just write the Hadoop here. Yes, let me clear it. So if you go in the Sqoop job, as you can see, the target directory is user Sqoop output and then the table itself name. So let me see if it is created or not. So first thing first, type hdfs dfs. These are the basic commands. ls slash, and in the user. So let me go in the user directory, and here over here, as you can see, just focus on this Sqoop output. It will create it. So what I will do, I will just go in this Sqoop. Guys, this is our final step of this project. We have successfully created all the dependencies and run all the commands and schedule it properly. Now as you can see, these till now buyers, department, membership, users, only 4 tables imported. Now let me see. Yes, so now product table is scheduled. It is queued right now. It is in the queue, right? This is a fifth table. Let me see. Right now there is a no. Let me run again. Oh no. So right now it is scheduled. Let's just wait for a while. Just go in the detail view. The next one is 25. 20. This is the manual way 650. Yes, so right now it is in the running phase. Just wait for a minute or for a few seconds. It will also show you the duration. If you can see the 10 second, if I go the previous 30 second it take to execute, 27 seconds, like this. Just wait. Yes, product is now first hour done. Let me go back in Hadoop and just again hit this button. Sorry, this command. Yes, as you can see, right around the product table is there. Now let's go. Let's see it actually imported data or not. Let's do the cat and go in any. Let's go in the buyers table and part and do asterisk. Just write asterisk. Yeah. So over here, as you can see, that successfully we have imported the records. Let's go in another table. Let's see. Let's go in, let's say users. Our first table is, yes, over here, as you can see, it is automatically uploaded. If you can cross verify, you can also do this. Just go in the workbench and just run this command again. And as you can see, the last one is the user ID is US2456. Let me check again in our Hadoop cluster. So it imported here 2456 in the order phase. Okay, no problem. Here is our record. So it is imported successfully. Now what we will do, this is run automatically, no problem, right? Uh, no problem, no problem. Okay, so let's play with only this number of, let me clear first, tables. Let me show you what I want to show you. Let's do ls part. Now I'm going to take only one table and add. First I will show you one thing. Where is cat? Where is cat command? Here is a cat command. Let me go in the membership table. Membership. Hit enter. So these are the number of records. So last record is 1968, as you can see. Now what I will do, I will come here in the MySQL workbench and I will add one record inside the membership, and then we will see after 5 minutes it will import it again and come in new data will come in Hadoop or not. So what I will do, let me insert into table name is our membership, member ship membership, and first I will have to let me see what is inside the membership. We have membership type and membership ID, right? So I have to put the membership here, membership ID, comma, membership type. There is a space or not? Yes, there is a space. No, there is no space. Comma, date of membership. On which date the member will add. So insert into membership and values. So these are the varchar. Varchar means I have to give. Let me see in the Hadoop. It start from the M1968. Let me put M1 980. I think there is a no record of 80, right? And second one is the member type. If I see the member type is right now business old student, let me right now um, let me put alcoholic, alcoholic, alcoholic. I think this is the right spelling. Please forgive me for that. Okay, so let me put alcoholic. Let me see the spelling first. Alcoholic. Yeah, alcoholic. Okay, so let me see. There is a M1. Yeah, so there is a ID is M1968. So I will, what I will do, I will insert one record which is start from M191980, and membership type is alcoholic, and our let me put now, because I am create this membership today. So what I will do, I will just hit this lightning button, and let me just change here the membership. Let me see, I've created successfully. Yes, so M1980 alcoholic, and you can also see the date. These are the yesterday date, and this is the today's date, 17. So now see, our scheduler is work fine or not. So what I will do right now, let me do get. No, till now it not done, because I think we have to wait for a while. So there is a product. What I will do. So sorry, membership. There is a membership. So we have to wait, and when it will schedule, we have to wait for a minute, I guess. Or what I will do, I will just do the trigger manually. So these are the second time I just manually hit that. So it will take. Yes. So as you can see, these are play button. So it will do number by number. Just wait for a second. And actually, it is started. You can also see. Just wait. It's taking time. Yes. So now it's done. Yes. So as you can see, as you can see, our last record is M1968 student, and 16 June. Now you can see the I have successfully add one record in MySQL table in RDS 1980 alcoholic and this 17. So as you can see, it is successfully schedule our Sqoop jobs every 5 minutes. So what you will do, if you are in any company, just change this. Sorry, as per our use case, we have to schedule daily. So what I will do, I will just change to here daily at the rate daily, and then it will schedule daily on daily basis. So this is our last step. I show you how to schedule Sqoop job, and in this project I've used Amazon Web yes, AWS. Okay, thank you for watching this.